Hi there, I'm James from Aspatria Farmers. I'm here today to talk to you about the full range of Evolution calf feeders. The Evolution S4 Pro comes with a dual 30kg hopper, which gives us the option to feed two different types of feed at the same time. With the Evolution S4 Pro, it comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display. We've got 4 options across the bottom of the screen. The home screen gives us an overview of what each individual station's doing. On the calf overview page, we can clearly see through traffic light system, red, green and amber, what the calf's done over the last 24 hours. Again, this is split generally into 8-hour feeds, but that can be customised to suit the customer. From there, we've got the green to say she's drank, the amber to say she's still got the right to drink, and red to say that she's missed a portion or she hasn't drank her full allocation. Traffic light system, red, green and amber, very, very simple to use. So on the page, we can then select the calf, and on each calf we can select and have a look at how much she's drank over the period that she's on the feeder. From that, we can then dive into that individual calf and find out the last time she was in the station, how many visits she's had and how long she's drank for. On the calf overview page, registering a calf is very simple. So we use an RFID identification system on the calf feeders, and when the calf walks in, it automatically picks up that calf ear tag or collar. 2 presses of a button and we're opening up to basically walking a calf in, selecting the station that we want to start the ID on, registering the calf with its tag number, and then she starts on the feed curve that's preset. So on the Evolution feeders, the feed curves are all customisable. We have the option of having a starting period, having a ramp up period, a full feed period, ramp down and then to weaning. And all of that is customisable for the customer. On the settings page, we have the option of customising the water temperature and the mix CMR. So again, with the S4, we've got bowl A, we can have her on say 140 grams, and we can have bowl B on 160 grams. Just gives us a bit more flexibility. On both the S2 and the S4 feeders, we have the option to feed with the powder dosing units, or we can sell the feeder with a liquid dosing unit. The powder dosing units just fit nice and simply to the side of the feeder and are calibrated just like we would calibrate the milk powder. So with the S4 Pro, we can have up to 4 stations, so we can sell the feeder with 2, 3 or 4 stations. These can all be retrofitted afterwards, and each station can have the teat wash function. The stations can be up to 7 metres away from the feeder, giving us great flexibility in our sheds. With that, the stations can also have the teat wash function. With the teat wash, the calf comes in, drinks her full allocation. Once she's finished the full allocation, she starts to back out 8 seconds, and the teat and around the teat are washed, taken to a drain, which is then taken away. With the teat wash function, we just use the mains water pressure, which has to be a minimum of 2.3 bar. One feature with the JFC stations is we've got a funnel system on ours to stop bullying, and it's also got a lockable bar that can slide in for holding in the calf to monitor and check the calf over. With the S2 and the S4 Pro, the washes are with dual chemical, acid and alkaline. Our feeder heats up to a higher temperature, so we can use a wider range of dairy chemicals. With the Evolution Pro Plus feeder, we can now feed whole milk. With these feeders, this allows us the option to feed whole milk as well as powder. Here at Aspatria Farmers, we offer a full 24/7 breakdown cover service. All our technicians are trained to a high standard and are all experienced with the Evolution feeders. So if you're interested in the Evolution feeders, please don't hesitate to get in touch with either myself or any of the members of staff at Aspatria Farmers. Aspatria Farmers, working for farmers since 1870.